Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to change your server location on Hostinger, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So to change that server location, we're going to go from our home page and look for hosting, and we're going to click on manage on the right hand side of this hosting panel. Now if you don't find it here, you will find it on the left hand side in this drop down menu. So we're looking for hosting, and on the left hand side you will see a few options. All right, so we're going to look for hosting here again, and we're going to get a drop down menu. Here you will see a few options, including plan details. Once you're in plan details, you can see all of the details are included here. So you're going to go over to the right hand side and you'll see server details. There's a server name and a server location. Let's click on the little edit button next to that, and you'll see here it says change your server location. Now you need to note that you can only do one change per 30 days. Just use the drop down menu or type in the location of preference and click on next. And over here you'll see important information about the transfer. Read through that and click on start, and that will be initiated.